Unplug the iMac. Wear ESD strap and safety glasses before starting. Tools: suction cups, plastic opening tools, PH00 screwdriver, isopropyl, adhesive kit, IM27 2012, K-kit. Attach 2 suction cups and lift the glass slightly. Free the top edge gently. Tilt the display forward and disconnect the display and camera cables carefully. Use a plastic pick and 99% isopropyl to lift and remove old adhesive strips. Clean the frame with IPA, dry and verify no residue. Align new adhesive strips first. Peel backing and apply each new adhesive strip to the chassis using the alignment template. Press each strip firmly for 10 seconds. Ensure full contact along the entire edge. Reconnect display and camera cables. Reinstall the bracket screws and verify secure seating. Lower the display onto the new adhesive. Apply even pressure along the full perimeter to bond. Reconnect power. Power on the iMac. Check screen alignment and touch or display responsiveness. Dispose old adhesive responsibly. Store the kit part IM27 2012 K-kit and follow safety guidelines.